Hey, what's up everyone? It's Gentleman's Finance here, and today we've got an exciting topic for you. We are diving deep into the world of side hustles, and I'm going to share with you the 7 best side hustles that can make you $100 or more per day. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why having multiple income streams is so crucial for financial success. You've probably heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." Well, that holds true for your finances too. Having multiple income streams can be a game changer when it comes to building wealth. Imagine not relying solely on your 9-to-5 job to cover your bills and financial goals. First, it provides financial security. If one source of income falters, you have others to fall back on. Second, it accelerates your wealth building journey. More income means more money to invest, save, or pay off debts. And finally, it offers freedom and flexibility. You are not trapped in a single job and you have the power to explore various opportunities. Now, let's dive into some eye-opening IRS statistics about millionaires. According to their data, a whopping 65% of millionaires have at least 3 different streams of income. That's right, folks. Millionaires aren't putting all their eggs in one basket either. What's even more intriguing is that 45% of millionaires have 4 different income streams and 29% have 5 or more. So, it's not just about having multiple streams, it's about diversifying your income sources to create a robust financial portfolio. What does this mean for you? Well, it means that there is clear connection between financial success and having multiple income streams. So, if you're looking to replicate some of these strategies, you are in the right place. We are about to share some realistic side hustles that you can start with absolutely no initial investment. Alright, now that we understand the importance of multiple income streams, let's dive into the good stuff. The 7 best side hustles that can put $100 or more in your pocket every day. Now, let's delve into our first side hustle, selling unused items. It's a simple and yet effective way to declutter your space while putting extra cash in your pocket. Start by identifying items you no longer need or use, such as electronics, clothing, or furniture. Take high-quality photos, write detailed descriptions, and set reasonable prices. Then list your items on platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Once a buyer shows interest, arrange a safe exchange for payment. For items you need to ship, ensure secure packaging and timely delivery. Selling unused items is a convenient way to boost your income with minimal effort. Now, let's move on to our second side hustle, participating in focus groups. This is an excellent way to earn extra money by sharing your opinions on products and services. Companies value feedback from real customers, and they are willing to pay for it. You can find opportunities to join focus groups both online and in person. Online focus groups may require you to participate in video conferences or answer surveys, while in-person sessions involve group discussions at a designated location. To get started, you can sign up with reputable market research companies or websites that connect participants with focus group opportunities. Some companies may match you with focus groups based on your demographic information and interests. To maximize your earnings, be on the lookout for focus groups that match your profile and availability. Some may offer higher compensation for specialized knowledge or longer sessions. Remember, your honest feedback is valuable, so don't be shy about sharing your thoughts. Our third side hustle takes the idea of one person's trash is another person's treasure, flipping free items for a profit. You won't believe the hidden gems people are giving away for free, and with a bit of effort, you can turn them into cash. Start by browsing platforms like Craigslist or local classified ads for free listings. While you might come across items that seem like junk, keep an eye out for potential treasures. Look for furniture, electronics, collectibles, or anything with resale value. When flipping free items, it's all about knowing what's in demand and how to market them effectively. Take high-quality photos, write compelling descriptions, and set competitive prices. Don't forget to consider the cost of transportation if you need to pick up items. As you gain experience, you can scale your flipping side hustle by reinvesting your profits into more valuable items. Over time, you will develop a keen eye for spotting hidden opportunities in the free listing. Moving on to our fourth side hustle, part-time jobs. Sometimes the most straightforward way to boost your income is by taking an additional work, even if you already have a full-time job. Part-time jobs offer a reliable and predictable source of income. Whether it's working evenings, weekends, or during your free time, it can significantly contribute to your financial goals. Plus, in today's labor market, you might have more negotiation power than you think. To find part-time job opportunities, explore job search websites like Craigslist, LinkedIn, or Monster.com. Networking within your community or industry can also uncover hidden job openings. Consider roles that match your skills and schedule. And remember, every extra dollar counts. It's Gentleman's Finance channel. Here we'll learn about different business opportunities, how to make money and invest wisely. Here you will also learn how to increase your wealth and become debt-free. All men should take care of their own finance. If you are interested in accumulating wealth and improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit a like button. Also, comment down below I subscribed and I will try to answer all of your comments. Now let's go back to the video. Now, let's delve into a side hustle that can be incredibly rewarding: credit card churning. It's all about leveraging credit card sign-up bonuses to earn rewards and cash back with minimal effort. Credit card churning involves applying for new credit cards that offer attractive sign-up bonuses. These bonuses can range from cashback to travel points, and they often require meeting a minimum spending requirement within a specified time frame. To get started with credit card churning, research and identify credit cards with appealing sign-up offers. Keep in mind that you will need to spend money on everyday expenses that you would normally incur. This way, you're not spending extra, but you are redirecting your existing spending. It's crucial to manage your credit cards responsibly to avoid debt and maintain a good credit score. Pay your balances in full each month, stay organized, and keep track of the cards you've applied for. When done right, credit card churning can be a lucrative side hustle. Now, let's talk about the sixth side hustle on our list: monetizing your skills. You likely possess unique talents or knowledge that others are willing to pay for, and this can be a fantastic income source. Take a moment to identify your skills, whether it's tutoring in a specific subject, offering consulting services, graphic design, or any other marketable talent. Your expertise can open doors to earning extra income. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to capitalize on them. Create a service offering, set competitive rates, and market yourself to potential clients or customers. The key here is to provide value to others while generating income for yourself. Last but not least, our seventh side hustle is a personal favorite of mine: starting a YouTube channel. I've been there, and I can tell you that it's not only a creative outlet but also a potential source of income. YouTube is a platform where you can share your passion, expertise, or interests with a global audience. It's a space where your unique voice can resonate with others, and while it might take time to see significant returns, it's worth the journey. If you are considering starting a YouTube channel, here are some tips. Find your niche and create content you are passionate about. Be consistent with your uploads to keep your audience engaged. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and building a community. Collaborate with other content creators to expand your reach. Monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise when you've built a substantial following. There you have it, 7 more realistic side hustles that can help you make $100 or more per day. Whether it's taking on part-time work, credit card churning, monetizing your skills, or starting a YouTube channel, the opportunities are endless. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember, the path to financial success begins with taking that first step towards diversifying your income sources. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.